Happy Friday, guys. Just don't set your house on fire. I can't believe I have to say this, but I just wanted to bring some things to your attention. I just posted today about this shampoo, boiling shampoo in home experiment, which is not really a scientific experiment and there's no explanation for it. I just wanted to raise awareness about certain things that you see on the internet, especially since we're part of a pandemic and a lot of us have to take measurements like social distancing, stay home and stay safe. I wanted to also emphasize on the fact that house fire incident rates has gone up during this pandemic because we are home more often, we're constantly cooking, you might forget a stove, you might forget your oven on, so we have to be very careful about this. Now that's one point. My second point, which I wanted to address, was these try-at-home experiments that people have been conducting. I'm seeing a very popular trend in essentially taking a shampoo or taking a specific hair product and bringing it to a boiling temperature to show you the toxins. Now, that's not how we identify toxins in science and in chemistry. We can boil water. Does water being brought to a boiling temperature make it toxic? I don't think so. Most of the time you'll see vapor and the water amount will reduce, but it doesn't mean that it's toxic. Now, the experiment is to show you that the excess toxins versus X product that's being sold is actually so harmful for you. But what these experiments and these people conducting these experiments don't realize is when you burn certain chemicals, it's actually more toxic in a burned form than it is in its actual form, whether it's shampoo, hairspray, or any other hair product. And so this experiment that was being conducted was to show you that the shampoo that you're using has toxins in it when it's boiled, but I'm not really sure how that's relevant to anything because you're not showering with boiling temperature water. And so to advertise that this other product is way safer and more natural. Now, on the topic of natural, I want to talk about chemicals. I'm not sure about that one because everything is made up of chemicals. Another claim would be it's non-toxic. Well, I think most cosmetic products are non-toxic if they're allowed to be sold in stores. It's really important to learn the science behind these things. Any company can make any claim that may not have scientific evidence, and this is why it's important to understand that these things. So on the topic of shampoo, I wrote an article, which I've been mentioning so many times, but thank you if you took the time to read it, to answer most of your questions about the safety versus toxins of shampoos and what type of shampoo you should be using for your hair if you have dry hair or if you have oily hair and dandruff. So on that note, I just wanted to let you guys know that I thank you for sending me a lot of these popular and viral things to talk about because I don't always come across them myself. You can continue to send me these things so we could explain and learn the science behind them because it's really important that we share the correct information, especially on social media. So thank you.